Ever wondered how certain cars have an amazing shine and gloss, but others seem bland and faded? Well, in this video, we'll be teaching you exactly how to give your car that perfect shine. As we're going to be transforming this Lamborghini Urus from this to this. To begin with, a car cannot shine if it is covered in dirt. So not only do we need to remove this dirt, but we need to do it in a safe and professional manner in order not to cause damage and fading to the paintwork, which will destroy the shine. So I always start off with the wheels, as they are the dirtiest part of the car. This meticulous process is repeated on all four wheels. I now use a dirt remover to disintegrate and loosen all of that grime. On top of that goes the Tino blue snow foam. This is now left on the Lamborghini to work its pre-wash magic. Not only is the pressure wash stage satisfying, but it is also crucial in safely removing a great amount of dirt. Now chaps, we can hand wash the car using ultra soft mitts and car shampoo, removing that remaining fine layer of grime. During hotter days, you can use a quick spritz of water like this to keep the shampoo from drying. Let's now perform the final rinse off. The color black is usually the hardest to maintain as it reveals the imperfections the most. However, it is also one of the most rewarding as the gloss and reflection of a black car is unmatched. The Tino drying towel is used to dry the car. The gloss is also cleaned and given a crystal clear finish. Before moving on to the main secret of shining a car, let's clean the interior, as what's the point of driving around in a clean and glossy car when it's all dirty on the inside? With the vacuum complete, we take care of the remaining interior surfaces. The door shuts are also wiped clean. So chaps, what is a shine? So a shine is light bouncing off from a surface. The smoother and more level the surface is, the greater the shine. There are two ways of achieving this. The first way is polishing. When polishing a vehicle, you are essentially removing a small layer of clear coat, making the surface flat and smooth, and thus giving the perfect shine. The problem with this is that there is only so much clear coat to work with before you burn through it and cause permanent damage, meaning that you shouldn't use this method too many times. Furthermore, it is very time consuming and requires experience to ensure that you do not cause holograms. The second way is by using a product that fills the scratches, swells and any imperfections. So in this case, instead of cutting down a level, you are adding an extra layer to your paint, protecting it and keeping it looking brand new. The best product for this is the Tino Exterior Detailer. Just look at what this product is capable of. as it fills those swirls and imperfections, leaving a smooth and glossy finish behind. Incredible transformation. It's super easy to use as it does not leave any marks and streaks. This product will also give the car around a month's worth of ceramic protection. And the secret tip to get the most out of this technique is to use the principle of layering. So what I mean by this is, if you apply this kind of product to your car after each wash, this layer of protective gloss will stack on top of each other, giving the car a candy-like shine. It can also layer well on top of ceramic coatings, increasing the lifespan of the protection. If you're interested in purchasing some Tino exterior detailer as well as all of the other products you've seen us using, then head on over to our website tinocarcare.com. The link is in the description below. And the tires are now dressed in order to complete this supercar detail. Now here are your results. Enjoy. Spectacular finish. The interior is looking just as good. Chaps, you now know how to super shine your car. So be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'd like.